Hey, what's up guys? Today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use Claude as a beginner. First of all, head over to your browser and type in Claude login. You will see sign in to Claude. Go ahead and click onto that link. Now, if you do not have an account, it will directly prompt you to, sign up. Go ahead, sign up with Claude. If you already have an account, sign in, then you will see a page like this. Now, as you can see that I am using a free plan. If you would like, you can also upgrade it by clicking on this upgrade. It will show you various plans. Now here, this is just like using ChatGPT, but if you're using Claude for coding, it is much better than ChatGPT. In here, you will see a plus button where you can add files or photos and ask questions, take screenshot, and add to project. And likewise, you can also select from various models. If you click onto it, this being the current one, you can also toggle on this extended thinking, which says think longer for complex tasks. If you're trying to do a deep research, this would be very useful, so go ahead and toggle it on. It will take around 20 to 30 seconds depending upon your question, but it will provide you with a very good answer. Likewise, you can also get into a call by selecting this voice mode. Now let's go ahead and expand this. At this page, you can go ahead and start a new chat by selecting new chat. You can also customize your Claude account. And it says connect your application. This might be only for paid users. For if you have paid subscription for Claude, go ahead and click onto it. Now, exploring various things that Claude can do, you can see that you can create projects, and these are all the chats that will be shown as you continue chatting. So guys, this is how you can use Claude as beginner. Thank you for watching.